Welcome to English Storycraft. Learning a new language is a journey, and every journey needs a good story. Here, we share simple, beautiful stories designed for English learners. Our goal is to help you improve your listening and reading in a calm, peaceful way. Sit back, listen, and let the stories begin.
The Lost Dog. Tom is a young boy. He lives in a small house with his mother. One day, Tom goes to the park. The weather is nice and many people are there. Tom plays with a ball. After some time, he sees a small dog under a bench. The dog looks scared and hungry. Tom walks slowly to the dog. "Hello," he says softly. The dog looks at him but does not run away. Tom gives the dog some food from his bag. The dog eats quickly. Then it comes closer to Tom. "Where is your home?" Tom asks. There is no answer. The dog has no collar and no name. Tom feels sad. "You can come with me," he says. At home, Tom's mother is surprised. "Tom, whose dog is this?" she asks. "I don't know. I found him in the park. He was alone," Tom says. His mother thinks for a moment. "We can help him, but we must find his owner," she says. Tom nods. The next day, Tom makes a sign. "Lost dog. Small, brown, very friendly." He puts the sign near the park. He also asks people, "Do you know this dog?" Many people say no. Days pass. Tom plays with the dog every day. He gives him a name, Lucky. Tom is happy but also worried. One afternoon, a woman stops in front of the sign. She looks at the picture. "Max?" she says. Tom is nearby with the dog. The dog sees the woman and runs to her. "Max!" The woman cries. She smiles and hugs the dog. Tom understands. Lucky's real name is Max, and this is his owner. Tom feels a little sad. "Thank you for helping my dog," the woman says. "He ran away 3 days ago." Tom smiles. "I'm happy he is safe," the woman says. "You are very kind." That night, Tom sits quietly. His mother smiles and says, "You did the right thing." Tom nods. He feels proud. And maybe one day he will have a dog of his own.